In the desert, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why for over 70 years, Desert Air Conditioning has been the name you and your neighbors trust. Honest service, fair pricing, no fluff. Just the cooling expertise that keeps homes like yours running right. When it's time to upgrade or replace your system, we're right here, ready with the know-how and straight talk to get you exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Because you deserve to feel the difference. Desert Air Conditioning. Live comfortably, always.